This kit places an inline filter in series with the flow of oil from the filter pan to the pump. The filter comes with flex lines. The lower one is attached to the female connection atop the filter pan. The longer hose goes to the pump. The existing hose, which previously attached the pickup tube to the pump, can be used if it's long enough and in good shape. The kit also includes a wrench for the filter and a bracket to hold it. The configuration of the hoses depends on the configuration of the fryer. However, the filter always resides between the filter pan's pickup tube and the flex line to the pump. The discharge valve handle, if present, must be detached and pushed aside. Remove the filter pan and its lid. Plug the filter pan pickup to prevent oil spills. Disconnect the hose from the back of the pickup tube. If it's serviceable, this hose can be used to connect the filter to the pump. Maneuver the filter into place in the cabinet. Existing holes in the channels may align with the filter's mounting bracket. Otherwise, a hole will have to be drilled for one side of the bracket. Secure the filter. Route the filter's lower hose to the output side of the pickup tube. Connect the provided hose or the existing hose to the back of the filter. Find the mounting point for the filter wrench bracket and position the bracket and wrench. Reposition the disposal valve and return the filter lid and pan.